Hey there, keyboard enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of computer peripherals. In today's video, we're going to dive into the topic that every passionate typist and gamer can't resist: mechanical keyboards. Whether you're a writer, programmer, or a competitive gamer, finding the best mechanical keyboard that suits your needs is crucial. So, get ready to embark on this exciting journey with us as we uncover the secrets to choosing the perfect mechanical keyboard. 1. Corsair K70 RGB Pro. The Corsair K70 RGB Pro is a powerhouse mechanical keyboard that offers a premium typing and gaming experience. One standout feature of the K70 RGB Pro is its customizable per-key RGB backlighting, allowing you to personalize your keyboard's appearance to match your style. The vibrant lighting effects and extensive color options truly elevate the visual appeal of this keyboard. In terms of build quality, the K70 RGB PRO does not disappoint. It is constructed with a sturdy aluminum frame, ensuring durability and longevity. The keyboard also features Cherry MX Mechanical switches, known for their smooth keystrokes and satisfying tactile feedback. Typing on the K70 RGB Pro is a joy, whether you're writing a lengthy document or engaging in an intense gaming session. However, one drawback of the Corsair K70 RGB Pro is its relatively high price point. While the keyboard offers exceptional performance and premium features, it may not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone. Additionally, some users have reported that the software interface can be a bit complex to navigate, requiring a learning curve to fully utilize its customization options. 2. SteelSeries USB Apex. Next up, we have the SteelSeries USB Apex, another contender in the world of mechanical keyboards. This keyboard boasts a sleek and minimalist design, perfect for those who prefer a more understated aesthetic. Despite its simplicity, the Apex does not compromise on functionality or performance. One notable feature of the Apex is its customizable macro keys. These additional keys can be programmed to execute complex commands or macros, providing you with a competitive edge in gaming or increasing productivity during work. The Apex also offers customizable illumination options, allowing you to create stunning lighting effects that match your setup. One drawback of the SteelSeries USB Apex is its lack of dedicated media keys. While this may not be a deal-breaker for everyone, it can be inconvenient for those who frequently adjust volume or control media playback. Additionally, some users have reported that the keycaps on the Apex are prone to smudging and fading over time, requiring regular cleaning and maintenance. 3. SteelSeries Apex Pro. Next up, we have the SteelSeries Apex Pro is a true powerhouse in the realm of mechanical keyboards. One standout feature of the Apex Pro is its adjustable actuation switches. With the ability to fine-tune the actuation point, you can customize the keyboard's sensitivity to match your typing or gaming preferences. This level of control is unparalleled and can significantly enhance your overall experience. Additionally, the Apex Pro boasts a sleek and durable aircraft-grade aluminum frame that ensures longevity. The keyboard is equipped with customizable per-key RGB lighting, allowing you to personalize the aesthetics to your liking. The illumination effects are stunning and vibrant, adding a touch of flair to your setup. One drawback of the Apex Pro is its relatively high price point. While the keyboard justifies its cost with its premium features, it may not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone. Additionally, some users have reported a slight metallic ping sound when typing, which may be noticeable to those with a keen ear. 4. Logitech G815 LIGHTSYNC. Next up, we have the Logitech G815 LIGHTSYNC, a mechanical keyboard that combines sleek design with impressive functionality. The G815 LIGHTSYNC features low-profile mechanical switches, providing a comfortable typing experience with shorter key travel. The keys are responsive and offer satisfying feedback, making it a pleasure to use for both typing and gaming. One standout feature of the G815 LIGHTSYNC is its LIGHTSYNC RGB lighting. With a full spectrum of colors and effects, you can create dazzling lighting setups to match your mood or gaming environment. The keyboard also includes dedicated media controls, allowing you to easily adjust volume or control media playback without interrupting your workflow. However, One drawback of the G8115 LIGHTSYNC is its non-removable wrist rest. While the wrist rest provides comfort during extended typing or gaming sessions, it may not be suitable for those who prefer a more compact setup. Additionally, some users have reported that the keycaps on the G8115 LIGHTSYNC can feel a bit slippery, potentially affecting typing accuracy. 5. Logitech MX Mechanical. Last but not least, we have the Logitech MX Mechanical keyboard. This keyboard offers a balance between functionality and simplicity. It features Logitech's exclusive Perfect Stroke key system, which provides a smooth and satisfying typing experience. The keys are quiet and responsive, making the MX Mechanical suitable for both office environments and gaming setups. The MX Mechanical also offers a comfortable wrist rest that can be detached if desired. This flexibility allows you to customize the keyboard to your preference. Additionally, the keyboard features adjustable backlighting, so you can find the perfect level of illumination for your needs. One drawback of the MX Mechanical is its lack of dedicated macro keys. While this may not be a deal breaker for everyone, it can be a drawback for those who rely heavily on macros for gaming or productivity. Furthermore, the MX Mechanical does not have per-key RGB lighting, limiting customization options compared to other keyboards on the market. Outro, and that wraps up our in-depth exploration of mechanical keyboards. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and helped you narrow down your options. Remember, the best mechanical keyboard is the one that feels right to you and enhances your typing or gaming experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Until next time, happy typing and gaming.